Hello friends, this is Malhar and you are watching TN Talks. Our today's topic is union. Before starting the topic, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can get the regular notifications related to C tutorials on TM Talks. So let's start. Our today's table of content is difference between structures and union, then the defining a union, and at last we are going to see how to find the size of structure and union in C, decided by the compiler. So let's see our first topic, that is difference between structure and union. The first difference between union and structure is the keyword. The keyword for structure is struct and for that union is union. Then the second is size. The size of structure is decided by the calculation of its data member size, and in union it is calculating the highest size of data member. Then the memory allocation. In the memory allocation of structure, each member of the structure is given a unique assignment of memory. Suppose the structure has a member of integer and character, then the total size is integer plus character, that is 4 plus 1 means 5. So it is giving 5 bit to that structure. But in that of union, a single element is shared by all the given members. Suppose same union we have integer and character, then the highest size is of integer, that is 4. That means the 4 bit is divided between the integer and character. Therefore in union we can access a single element at a time. Then alternating value. The alternating value of structures do not affect the member of structure, and that it will affect in union. Accessing member. We can access the individual member of a structure at any given time, but we cannot access any individual member of union at a time. Otherwise we have to use the sequence to call the members in union. Then initializing of member. We can initialize several members at a time, or we can initialize a given member multiple times, but we cannot initialize a given member or a single member multiple times in union. Defining of union. As similar to structure, in union we are going to use a keyword name union, and the initialization or the syntax of initialization union is union tag, then curly bracket and its members, and at last we are going to write the union variables. And similar to the structure, the union member variables can be more than one, and it is separated by comma. Now let's see a program how to define a union, and at last our last topic, how to find the size of structure and union, and that we are going to see using a given program. Now let's see an example of defining a union. For defining a union, we just may change structure to union, and over here we need to make change to union. So here we can create a union in place of structure. Now let's save it, build, so we have no error, and run. ABC, 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 and 1, 2, 3. Oh, but we are not getting the desired output, because the limitation of union is that, or we can say the main purpose of union is that it can access only single element at a time. So here we are assigning first the title, then the author and subject, and the book ID. But the size allocation of the union is like that. It is assigning a block of 100 bytes to a single union, and it is replacing the value of union by each input. Now let's change this to so now we can get our desired output. Let's build it and run ABC, and we can get ABC, author as ABC, subject as ABC, and book ID as 123. So can you find the difference that in structure we can assign all the values one by one and we cannot get error, because in structure the memory allocation is like that. It is calculating the total bits of the members entered, and that total bit is assigning to that given structure. But in union it is giving the maximum size to that union, and it is upgrading the value when it is assigned to that union. Now let's find how to calculate the size of structure and union. Let us write printf into each percentage %d and size of operator. Size of operator is used to find the size of given variable. Here our structure variable is book 1. Let's write this here, size equal to %d. Let's save it, build and run. Can you give me in the comment section what will be the size of this structure, then I will run. Okay, the size is 204. Now let's check same for the union. Build it and run. So here we can find the maximum size, that its subject has a maximum size, and over here we can have the maximum size of 100, that is the size of a given union book 1. Now we are going to end our video. If you have any doubt related to C tutorial, you can tell us into the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe DM Talks for more informative videos related to C tutorials. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.